Hello everybody and welcome to the Crown Lounge. So today is going to be a spicy cocktail day, right? So we're going to start off using some Scoville, right? Scoville is a jalapeno vodka, flavor vodka. Got a little kick to it, right? If you like spicy, you know what Scoville is, right? It's the unit measurement for spiciness. Anywho, I actually know the guy who owns this company. Good guy, veteran. Anywho, let's start to make a drink. All right. First, we're going to start off with got a little water in there. First, we're going to start off with 3 ounces of Scoville. Like, you know it's jalapenos in here because that's the first thing you smell when you open this. Next we're going to do a 1.5 ounces of a lemon liqueur. And the reason why I'm using a shaker instead of stirring it is because, a mixing glass, because this element right here is a 1/2 ounce, a 1 ounce of half and half. And now last, we're going to do a 1/2 ounce of vanilla vodka. It's a lot of flavors, right? Let's add some ice to our shaker. You should get a good froth with this too. Oh, if you tighten it, it won't leak. Look at that. And there you have it, a Scoville Boxster, like the Porsche. It's good, it's creamy. I don't know you really want a creamy cocktail, but this is the winner. I like the little kick to it, the little heat. You get that vanilla in it a little bit in the background. And believe it or not, the lemon really isn't as forward as you would think it would be. But it's a solid cocktail. Once again, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, guys. Cheers.